It's soup season, and I'm gonna show you how you make this creamy taco soup. It's super quick and easy. Only way. All right, we're at Mom and Dad's house, so the lighting, terrible. Totally get it. But in my pot, I have ground and browned some ground hamburger, and then I've softened 2 sweet onions as well as 2 peppers. You can use green, yellow, or red. Sometimes I like to do a variety, so you know. And then I seasoned it with taco seasoning and a ranch seasoning packet. 2 cans of drained black beans. Mom already tried to pour half this thing in there. I said, baby, what you doing? Stop. 2 cans of Rotel. I'm using mild. Use what you want. 2 cans whole kernel corn. I'm doing no salt added. Dollar General special. I didn't drain it either. Pour it all in there, baby. 2nd packet of taco seasoning and 2nd packet of ranch seasoning also. If you're making a smaller portion of this, you only need 1 packet. All right, I'm gonna do chicken broth. You can also use beef broth. If you use beef broth, your soup's just gonna be a little darker. It really doesn't matter. We'll pour 1 in here. If we think we need another one, we'll add another thing of chicken broth. Okay, she's looking Gorgina. Okay, she's thick and hearty. We love that for her. For me too. But we are going to bring her to a boil, and then we're gonna let her simmer, like, let's say 30 minutes in total, okay? Then we'll add our cream cheese. BRB. All right, me and Dad did a taste test for poison, you know, taste your food. It was too bland for us, so we're gonna add some Ortega. I'm using the medium, but you can use the mild, and we're gonna see if that brings a little life to her. We're gonna start out with half, and then we'll add more if we need to. Add the whole thing. Just add the whole thing, babe. Do the whole thing, okay? All right, Ortega did help it. So we're gonna go ahead and add our cream cheese since this simmered for about 30 minutes. I cut it up into chunks. I'll just give it a stir and then just let this melt in, and then we'll taste test for poison again, just in case. All right, final taste test. I like to put some shredded sharp cheddar on mine and sour cream. So here we go. You could top this with some tortilla chips or Fritos or low carb tortilla chips that you like crisped up. Oh my gosh. That would be chef's kiss.